Content Collector tool and Content Place tool in Adobe InDesign. Whether you are a beginner in Adobe InDesign or you are already expert, there will always be a time when you would want to import the content from one project to another InDesign project. Obviously, you must be thinking about traditional copy-paste method. In this tutorial, I will uncover an effective way of importing the content from one layout to another layout without copy and paste. Keep watching to find out. I am using this green technology science book to show you how this works. Let's take this Content Collector tool. Shortcut key is B. If the conveyor belt does not appear at the bottom of this interface, press Alt B. See, the conveyor belt just appeared. For now, I am going to use this Content Collector tool to add all the images in the conveyor panel. Keep in mind, this tool works when at least two InDesign documents are opened at the same time. Now, I am going to create a new A4 size document. By the way, if you want to learn all the InDesign presets, the tutorial link is in the description. With conveyor belt open, select the Content Place tool from the toolbar. Shortcut key is B. Select the images from the panel and paste them anywhere on this page. Click anywhere on this page. See, all those imported images had been pasted over here. Notice, when I paste the content on the other document, the content disappears from the conveyor belt. It's because the conveyor belt only holds the information until it is pasted in other document. If you want to add this image back to the conveyor belt, just use Content Collector tool. You will get this here. So the summary is that Content Collector tool collects the information from one InDesign layout, and Content Place tool places that information to other InDesign layout. Tip of the day. You must be thinking, why do I even need these tools when I can simply copy and paste? Well, I have an answer. Let's say you want to copy this content and paste it to the other document. All you will do is copy all this text and paste it in the blank layout. What if you accidentally copied something else? Then you will need to copy this paragraph once again and paste over here. With the help of conveyor panel, your imported information is stored. It works as a clipboard that is reserved for InDesign users. Now, no matter what other things you copied, you can simply use this conveyor belt panel to paste the data into other InDesign layout. Now go and copy whatever you want. Once you get comfortable using these tools, you will keep using them for the rest of your life. It is a useful tool and a simpler method of moving the content across the layouts without having to copy and paste. I hope this tutorial helped you learn about two amazing tools that can make your information sharing easier than copy-paste method. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.